Around 2000 BCE, horse-drawn chariots became the main form of transportation. This lasted for around 3,000 years until the steam train was invented. The Wright brothers took flight 100 years after that, and only 60 years later, we'd conquered space. Humanity's rapid growth during that time is a fascinating topic on its own, but I think we are on the verge of a breakthrough with comparable magnitude in the field of technology. Imagine if all the server farms that run the world were able to perform operations simultaneously, cutting requests that would take days down to fractions of seconds. That is what we stand to gain if we can figure out quantum computing. Most of our tech runs on classical computers, which process data as bits, either zeros or ones. But quantum computers use qubits, which can be 0 and 1 at the same time, thanks to something called superposition. Combine that with entanglement, which is another quantum abnormality, and suddenly problems that take classical computers centuries can take a quantum computer seconds. Think of it like this. A classical computer solves a maze by checking every path one by one, going until it hits something, returning, and going back again. But quantum computers can go explore every path at the same time. Why should we care? Quantum computing can revolutionize drug discovery by simulating molecules that today's computers just can't. It could optimize logistics to reduce carbon emissions, and yes, it could crack encryption, changing cybersecurity forever. It's not just the future of tech, it's the future of everything. This isn't just fascinating to me, it's personal. I've done research on quantum algorithms, and I've experimented with IBM's quantum cloud because I don't just want to watch the future unfold. I want to help write it. The so what is simple. If quantum computing works at scale, it could solve humanity's most complex problems faster, smarter, and greener. But only if we invest in the next generations of thinkers, researchers, and creators. That's why this matters. I see quantum computing not just as code or physics, but as potential. A way to reimagine reality. A chance to take problems that seem unsolvable and say, let's try a new approach.